This is Jasmine in the kitchen. Today I'm making some coconut bun. And I have here in this bowl, I have quarter pound of butter. And to that I'm going to be adding half a pound of sugar. So now I'm going to be creaming my butter and my sugar. In this bowl I have 1.5 cup of flour that I sifted, and I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm sifting. Now I'm going to combine my baking powder and my flour. Bowl I have 1 egg. I'm going to be beating. I'm just going to make it simple. I use a fork to beat my egg. Adding a little milk, just a small amount of milk to the beaten egg, and I'm using coconut milk, maybe about one tablespoon of coconut milk. I'm adding my egg and milk to my cream and sugar. And now I'm going to be adding my flour to my butter mixture. I'm going to mix that in. Actually, I'm going to fold that in. In this bowl, I have 2 cups of coconut, shredded coconut. Just added it to my flour mixture, and I'm going to blend that in thoroughly. So now I'm going to add drop my dough onto the cookie sheet. I'm just going to spoon it on in small heap. Okay, so now I'm going to stick this in the oven. It's a preheated oven of 40 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to stick it in there for about 20 minutes.